Alrighty, speed. Here's one of your 427 small block Fords. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Obviously Borla. Custom grind solid roller. Front self oil pan. Alternator. Fuel management Terminator X. Great system. Go over and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 473 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 552, peaks horsepower 622. So we rated 600. Obviously, the new cylinder head and Borla combination really run good, so pretty good number. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple other things. If you see the engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number and some other specs. That's the easiest way for us to look you up is that number. Flip it over. QR code there. It'll take you to some more technical information. So really recommend watch all this. Have a great day.